What's so cool about manufacturing? We went to Elmco, PA to find out. Elmco, PA is a manufacturing company in Kerwinsville, Pennsylvania. It specializes in creating metal parts. They manufacture for manufacturers.
This is powder metal, and they put this in the press to form finished products as you see here.
They range in size. They get very small to very large. So this one's probably 1 pound. They take a lot of different materials.
Not only do they build new machines, they also take older machines and they strip them down and repaint them, and then they become as good as new.
Our machines, so it starts as powder, it'll feed through into there. Our customers will set up their tooling, it will be packed, it'll come out. Typically it'll go to a furnace where it gets heat treated, it gets hardened. So this is kind of soft. If I dropped it, it would explode. So they go through a furnace which hardens them. And then sometimes there's finished machining afterwards, so if they have to, it's kind of sharp, so they might have to clean some edges up.
Been in the PM industry for almost, I guess, a decade now.
Where you really get the education is when you come to work for a company like us. Engineers aren't the best educated ones, they're the ones that continue to learn their entire working career. But they've done it for 30 or 40 years, and they're better at engineering than somebody just coming out with a young graduate from Penn State, because of experience and a willingness to learn your entire life. Because I can guarantee you will get a return on your educational investment if you go into one of those.
We learned many things at MCO PA about manufacturing and life lessons.